Jim Scott here. I'm not coming into work today. I'm snowed in and I'm not stepping out my front door. Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm retired. Well, in that case, hey, you have fun trying to get to work this morning. Goodbye. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to a snowy Tuesday morning. Hey, it's December the 2nd, and at the time of making this video, it's 27 degrees this morning. And yeah, the snow's still falling out there here at my winter weather area in Indiana. You got to just love it, right? Here's how the weather is shaping up across the nation as we take a look at it. Looking at the Great Lakes and Northeast this morning, looking at a wintry-like pattern continues as a cold trough digs into the region. And lake effect snow will be ongoing across Michigan, northern Ohio, and northwest Pennsylvania, and upstate New York. Heavier bands may drop anywhere from 3 to 6 inches in the forecast, and temperatures in the upper 20s to mid 30s. Looking at wind chills will make it feel more like in the teens for many areas. So, yeah, if you got to be out and about this morning, definitely bundle up and be careful. Looking at the mid-Atlantic area, looking at a weak coastal disturbance brushes the eastern seaboard with light rain showers from Delaware to New Jersey, and mostly cloudy with highs in the upper 40s to mid 50s. Now taking a look at the southeast, looking at quiet and mild, partly to mostly sunny with highs in the 60s for Georgia and the Carolinas, near 70 degrees along the Gulf Coast. And Florida stays warm with highs in the upper 70s to 80s. And if we could get out of Indiana, that'd probably be a good place to go. But we're kind of snowed in right now. South and lower Mississippi Valley, you're looking at moisture returns ahead of a new system with scattered showers and a few thunderstorms in the Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas and Mississippi. And looking at maybe some severe weather in some areas, but kind of keep an eye on your forecast. Highs in the 60s and low 70s. And looking at the Midwest to Central Plains area. Looking at cold but quieter, mostly cloudy to partly sunny. Afternoon highs range from the 20s to the 30s in the upper Midwest and to the 40s and low 50s farther south. Now, watch out for slick travel early with leftover snowpack and even refreeze. Looking at the northern Rockies and the Pacific Northwest, looking at a strong Pacific system moves shore with heavy rain for coastal Washington and Oregon, significant mountain snow in the Cascades, and travel is going to be difficult if you got to be in that area. We're looking at highs along the coast around the 40s and 50-degree temperatures, and in the mountain area, looking at 20s to 30-degree temperature. Looking at your southwest forecast, looking at mild and quiet, sunny across California, Nevada, Arizona, and New Mexico. Highs in the 60s to 70s. And then looking at the desert forecast, looking at temperatures around 80 degrees. Now let's take a look at my weather here in Indiana. Looking at widespread snowfall. It'll come to an end today, but be careful if you got to get out this morning. Roads are slick and snow covered. I also wish to thank all the snow crews out there. It's been out on the roads all night and just trying to keep everything cleared so we can get out. But I don't know. I think myself, I may plan on staying in today. I'm not sure. It'd sure be a challenge to get out. But next chance of snow arrives on Wednesday night again with the cold front. And looking at cold and dry conditions arrive until precipitation chances develop once again coming up this weekend. Snow continues this morning as you're waking up this morning and getting your first cup of coffee, and the snow will be heavy at times. Looking at today's forecast, mostly cloudy with a high near 29 degrees, winds out of the north west at 3 to 6 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 18. Looking at calm winds coming out of the southwest at around 5 miles per hour after midnight. And then Wednesday, partly sunny with a high near 32 degrees. Southwest winds around 6 to 10 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, looking at a chance of more snow, mainly after 1 a.m. Cloudy with a low around 19 degrees. Winds will be out of the southwest at 6 to 8 miles per hour. And then switching out of the northwest after midnight. Looking at a 30% chance. Not really seeing much snow accumulation at this time, but we'll keep an eye on it. Looking at Thursday, partly sunny with a high near 23 degrees. Winds out of the north at 7 miles per hour. And Thursday night, partly cloudy with a low around 6 degrees. Yeah, it's going to get cold. Friday, partly sunny with a high near 28. Winds be out of the southwest at 6 miles per hour. And Friday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 19 degrees. Now moving into your weekend forecast, looking at Saturday, mostly cloudy with a high of 31. The wind's going to be out of the west at 8 miles per hour. And Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 19 degrees. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share the video while you're enjoying your cup of coffee this morning. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to join and stay up to date on the forecast. And if you haven't head out this morning, stay safe and have a good day. And just be careful and slow down. You'll get there.